you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I was trying to let them cool off a little bit. They got a little warm.
What's up, man?
What's up? How you doing?
What you running here?
615s on 2 AKs, the Audio Dynamic 5000 series.
You built everything yourself?
Huh?
You built it all yourself?
Yeah.
That sounds good right there.
Appreciate it.
Audio dynamics, everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Smacking hoses, slipping lows. It's DJ Rusticles.
Yo, what you got? Yo.
Are you on social media anywhere, man?
I got TikTok.
Oh, let them know where they can find you at.
Joshua Main. That's what it is.
I'm gonna be sure to try to tag them down below, guys. Y'all know see you back on BASSWITHKEV.com. See you back next time, bro. Yes, sir, man.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.